Hey my friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to talk with you about the number one way to raise your income. But before I get into this point, I want to make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel because I have so many different videos that are going to help you to understand exactly what you need to do to position yourself for higher success. So subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and type done in the comment section below the moment you do it. Alright, so let me get into my point. Because the number one way to raise your income forever is to understand that the current income that you have will not be sufficient for your greater goals in life. And for you to really comprehend what this means, you need to be fed up with your current situation. In other words, you need to understand that your boss, your employer, is not paying you exactly what you know you're worth in the future. Now they might be paying you what you're worth right now, and you might say, oh, I would debate that point, but the fact is that they are paying you exactly what you deserve right now because you have settled for that money. You have settled for that salary. You have settled for that mentality. And so now you need to change that reality by changing that narrative. You need to start telling yourself that you're worth a certain dollar amount. But you can't just say it. You have to do it. You have to be it. You have to feel it. And the only way you can come to this point is that if you're fed up. That's the major point I want to share with you today. You have to be fed up of tolerating the current wages that you make right now. You have to say to yourself, why am I in this situation? And you have to do something about it. You can't just say, oh, I wish I got paid more. No, you have to say, I demand to get paid more. I cannot tolerate this position any longer. Instead of making $50,000 or euros or pounds a year, I need to be making $150,000 or pounds or euros a year. You need to understand that it starts from within. It starts with your personal development. I want to tell you something important that I want you to remember for the rest of your life. Your level of personal development determines your level of income. So the more you develop yourself personally, the more your income will grow. Now, if you find yourself at an income level that you don't prefer, what you need to do is to keep reading. You need to keep studying. You need to keep journaling. You need to keep watching these videos. You need to seek mentors, and eventually your income will grow. That is the secret to exploding your income. If you understand this concept, then you will start to apply it in your life. You will know exactly what you need to do and what kind of goals you need to pursue. You will have the right intentions, and these intentions will lead you into the right directions. You will be connected to better ideas, better people, better places, and opportunities will appear right in front of your face. You're gonna see it, it's gonna become obvious because you are developing yourself. You see, humans take a long time to develop. I mean, how long does it actually take for someone to graduate high school? 18 years on average, right? So if it took 18 years for you to learn everything that you needed to know by the time you were 18 or the time you graduated high school, imagine how many things you need to learn when you become an adult. Now imagine how much you can grow as an adult. Imagine how much you can learn in your 20s and 30s and 40s and 50s and so on if you studied more than your contemporaries. Look, you might be stuck at a job making a certain wage, but your contemporaries are not studying, they're not learning as fast as you're learning when you're watching videos like this. They're not growing at the same rate in which you're growing if you start reading important books that will change your life. They're not going to be able to raise their income if they expect themselves to be at the same level for a long time. If they're settling for the vacations and the boss and the benefits and they're happy with everything they have, then how are they ever going to grow? You see, you need to be frustrated more than ever before. You need to be boiling up inside and you need to be saying, what can I do? What can I do to be more powerful? What can I do to leverage myself? What can I do to multiply my talents, to multiply my energy, to multiply my money? If you start to think like this, you will break through in ways you could have never imagined. But you need to see the future if you want to be the future. You need to see yourself attaining a higher position in life. You need to see yourself learning and growing and nurturing through the process of adulthood to become a greater version of who you know you're meant to be. You need to feed your soul, your mind, your body, so that you can become a powerful vessel that the universe or God can use on the highest level possible. So that's all I'm saying today. I want you to ask yourself, am I really fed up with my current position? Do I really want to change? Because we change when we're desperate for change. We change when we know that we have a deficiency in skills. We have a deficiency in income. We have a deficiency in how we use our talent. And if you're hungry for growth, then you're gonna accept this as truth and you're gonna change the rest of your life. So there you go, my friends. I just gave you the #1 way to skyrocket your income. If you wanna raise your standards of living, then you need to raise your standards of giving. Give more of yourself, give more of your abilities, give more of your talents, and you will change the world. My friends, this is Daniel Alley. Take care of yourself, do big things. Of course, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, share this video with someone else who really needs it, and type yes in the comment section below if you receive this message today. Guys, once again, this is Daniel Alley. Connect with me on other social medias and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.